Energy.
So how can you say that the Indian government is not doing anything for our Indians?
So I don't tell about the Indians not doing anything for the government. First thing, the thing which I'm going to talk about, government is doing the thing for the our India, and even they are doing sufficient work for the people who are citizens. Even you can take an examples of anywhere where it is in education, where in the terms of
So
people.
why many people and many students, many orphan childs are not able to study properly?
Because of their parents.
Because of their parents.
Yeah.
Why you are saying? Even
Because
the parents give them opportunity by giving many.
Brother, how can you say that? How can you say that?
The parents give the money to the children, give money
but-
to the schools.
But tell me about one thing. Most of the parents are here. Most of the students, if they want to go anywhere and if they want to study, so most of the parents first they can allow their child. That's why, as you told about in the starting, most of the parents are don't allow their children for education.
Even the parents give them opportunity, and also if you are talking about the Indian government is doing sufficient work, why the roads are not good? There are puddles, there are holes in the road. Because of that, many accidents happen.
How can you say that?
There are holes.
I am telling you. If you go anywhere where it is nowadays, even most of the time, the government is developing our India. How I am saying that is it really proved. You can go anywhere, you see many highways, many roads who are clean. Even they have sufficient place to run the vehicle.
Highways and the roads. But what about the rapes and harassment of the girls? India is developing, but the rapes, harassment, and the insecurity of the girls, where is it? The security of the girls, where is it? The girls are suffering from rapes.
No, your means is that government is not doing sufficient work for students, for road and for girls. How can you say that? Tell me about this.
If the government is doing the things for the Indians, so why the girls are suffering? Why the schools are not that much good? Why the studies are
How
not
can you say that the government schools are good? How can you say that is not good? Nowadays, I am telling you
Okay.
how schools are good. Recently, what happened? Recently, in lockdown, government made all over the government school good, and they made beautiful buildings. In your school, if you are studying in the government school, so do you have new buildings in your school? Yes or no?
No.
How can you say that? Brother, government made new buildings in the school.
Okay, what about the people? People are spitting on the road.
Let him complete. Even the government, what they did, they made a beautiful schools, even new schools.
Even that the education is not good. Most of
How
the
can you say
child are
that?
not. Why the people are not able to get the jobs? Even they are all unemployed. Even they are getting the degrees, PhD. People are not getting the
That's
jobs.
why the government give them opportunities.
The government give, but they are not sufficient. That's why I am talking about hence proof.
How can you say that?
Can you say that every person who got the degree is suffering and doing a job? They are employed. Can you say that? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no? Yes or no?
First thing is that.
No. Hence proof.
I am telling you.
The government is not doing anything for our people.
How can you say that? Government is doing.
Government is not doing.
Government is doing
anything.
How can you say that, brother?
First of all, if a person
If you are a student, tell me what. Now you talk about the government is not doing. You are a student. Most of the schemes are here, who are for even most of the people, even most of the students for their scheme. Even
there are laws. There are also laws. But what about the people? What about the transgender? There are many laws for the transgender, but they all are not sufficient. The India is developing, but what about the citizen?
Brother,
Government
made the laws for the transgender. How can you say that they don't?
But they are not sufficient. They all are not sufficient.
They are sufficient now. They are sufficient, but it's a.
Why the transgender are begging on the road? Why the transgender are begging on the road? Why there is no
It's about the transgender. They don't want to study and they don't.
Why they don't want to do every transgender? I told many people who wanted to do, but because of the Indian government, because of the discrimination with them, they can't.
Your means government, because of the government they are not studying.
Yes, the government is not doing anything.
Brother, you are wrong. Completely wrong.
I'm giving answer. Listen to me without saying anything. So, in the other countries, what happens?
Why are you saying the example of other country?
Because India is not going. That's why I'm taking the example of the USA.
First time tell me answer on this.
So I'm giving the answer. You are not ready to.
You are just saying.
India is not going. Simple answer is that India is not going. Taking example of US and other countries, there are the many students.
As I told you,
many students
you get ready
to study and ready is studying with the transgender. There is no problem with them. And talking about the other countries, India is not going on any kind of place like the roads, transgender, insecurity of the girls, security of the girls. There are many stalkers on the road.
You are telling again.
You are telling again. anti-Romeo team, but there is not an anti-Romeo team in the India.
Now I am telling you, you're also saying the same kind of thing which you also mentioned before. The thing is, you are not able to give me the answer. You are not able to give my.
I answered you. You are not able. You are not ready to listen to me. Viewers, it's now your turn. Tell me that government and India is doing sufficient work for the Indians.
And also tell me another thing which I am saying that about the discrimination in his mind have discrimination. Even he said that about the government. If he is now he is a small child in which he has a discrimination. What about if he become adult, and what about the children? What about the people who are adult and they in their mind they have any kind of discrimination?
And tell me in the comments what did I say. So let's prove what did I say.